Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mr. Young.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mr. Young.
Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Until your good is better and your better is your best. All right, quiet applause to each of you. Wonderful, wonderful. Well, we came today, Miss Tandy, with your class to present you, yes, with recognition for all the effort you put into our babies.
It is refreshing to collaborate with an educator that understands the value of integrating family and community studies into a vibrant curriculum that provides an engaging experience for all of her students. This award appropriately reflects the endless hours she has spent educating children beyond the classroom walls through numerous field trips and related activities. We further acknowledge that her presence in the community is heartfelt and impactful. Then we have a quote. It says, the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. And that quote is from Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. It's been signed by members of the Alliance. We are proud to present this to you, Ms. Tandy, first annual Bronzeville Alliance.
With that, this is also an opportunity to recognize you, the new wave of the future. And for each one of you, it is such a joy to be with me. Your bright eyes, your inquisitive nature, your critical thinking, your desire to succeed is a real joy for me as your elder, because I see in your eyes the future. And so we applaud you